a sign of the foreigner who is not interested in you. You know what, guys? Before I meet my baby love, I chatted a lot of foreigners, but they are not really that kind of serious because there's one also a foreigner. Um, he said that, oh, I'm in the situation of applying for a divorce, and then but I still live with my wife. Yes. Yeah, he said that they're in the process of divorce, but they still live together. But he said that they sleep in different room. But the
How
fact
sweet.
that also when his wife is coming, he will not message me. That's a red flag. Yeah. He give a
That's so
schedule.
weird.
Yeah, he gives schedule of.
But you continued to talk with him?
I talk only 3 months.
Only? That's
Yeah.
a long time. Oh.
Yeah, it's just a waste of time. Yeah, I realized in the in that kind of situation because he didn't tell me at first, like the first month, he didn't tell me until I decided to ask what his real status.
So you
Yeah.
liked him for a whole month talking to him. What'd you like
Not-
about him?
no,
Let's turn
not-
this conversation
No, not
around.
mahal. No, not mahal. Like talking to foreigners at first, it's not about you like him. Yeah. My purpose of messaging foreigner before is to enhance my speaking abilities. Yes,
Is that
and
why you
then
connected to me?
no, it's not.
For the Filipinos on the grill.
No, it's not because at first our first week of messaging each other is like he really wants to have a friendship. Yeah, it's really
Yeah, because he's got a wife in the other room.
yeah.
What else can he have?
Exactly. Yeah. At first it's purely friendship. Yeah, there's nothing malicious to that. And then after that he started open up. Yeah, his situation.
Was he hot?
Huh?
You said he opened up. Was he hot? Like too much clothes?
I don't know.
Joke. Ah.
That's why, guys. He's really frustrated with his joke
Thought he had like a
because
cardigan on or something. You know,
when he tried to explain
Never
his
mind.
joke.
That's right. Everybody on YouTube was shaking their head too, saying it's not a joke. Well,
So that's one thing. And the other one is like the next one is he said that he is English teacher. He didn't mention
That's
about
not-
no.
What's that mean?
Just wait. No. Just wait. He didn't mention about ESL, like teaching online. No, he didn't mention that. He just said
you
that
mean he's a regular
he's
classroom teacher?
yeah, I guess like that because he said that I'm gonna call you when I'm in the library. Yeah, because in the library there's a strong connection. Then yes, like library, you should be quiet in the library because even in the Philippines, library must be quiet.
How old was he?
I'm not sure if because I'm not that interested anymore because
Take a guess. You observe wrinkles in hands.
no, it's not like that because I only talked to him one time in video call, and then when he kept messaging me all the time, I have work. Keep messaging me like it seems like he got pissed off because I'm not replying his messages.
That's not a real nice word to use.
Mahal, that's what.
That's a nice word to use.
No, that's
Mahal. No.
Mahal. I'm just
Yes.
trying to explain about his behavior towards me.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then, since I cannot message him all the time, he don't understand my schedule. Even if I told him that I have this kind of work, blah, 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 keep messaging me. And then he sent me photos of his thing. Yeah, that's why I block him right away.
In the library?
No, not in the library, of course.
kidding.
He messaged me with photos of, his thing. So,
His favorite book. Because he's in the library.
yeah.
This is YouTube. This is PG. I think it was Snow White.
I cannot say something like that. That's why I
The
use the
seven
word
dwarfs.
thing. Yeah, the worst thing
You're showing
ever.
one dwarf.
Yeah. So
I'm
there is
kidding.
no more explanation. I blocked him right away. Yeah. And then the other one is like we've been talking for a month, not a year. A
30
month.
days.
Yeah, a month. And he
1 month.
decided to go to Hong Kong and meet me.
Oh.
Yeah,
It's kind
because
of nice showing extra effort.
yeah, but you know what? The fact that he's not, he just want to he just want to talk to me because
Did he want to show his book too?
it's not like that.
It's a joke.
Like 2 months before, like he has business plan in Hong Kong. That's why he decided to connect with Filipina so he will not get bored while he stay in Hong Kong. That's why, yeah, in the last minute he's already have this ticket, and then in last minute I refused to meet him.
Last minute?
Yeah, in the
Why'd
last
you
minute.
wait so long to cancel?
I just realized that. I just realized that, like, oh, I'm scared.
It took you that long to figure it out.
Because that's the first foreigner. If I say yes, that's the first foreigner that I will meet in person. Yeah, it's not about me. That's why he wants to meet me. Because he just have business in Hong Kong. Yeah, and he don't want to get bored. Yeah. So, because some foreigners, they always want this fling, fling, fling relationship. And it's not good. Yeah. It's not good to your Filipina, and it's not good for yourself as well.
I only want to fling with you.
Yeah, me too. Let's fly to the moon tonight.
We're flinging together.
Yeah, that's the worst behavior of the foreigner. Yeah. And also, this time, I received a lot of indecent proposal in Facebook. Show me
Books.
Facebook. Like,
Snow White, Seven Dwarfs.
a lot of, like, can you show me your
Your Seven
thing, and
Dwarfs.
in exchange of money. Yeah, like, it's annoying. Yeah, that's why I agree with some foreigners. They don't like Facebook. Yeah, and some also. But most of the foreigner who offer indecent proposal, it's not a Western guy. Yeah, they are Asian also. Asian guy. Like
The guy
Indian,
who called in the middle of the
Bangladesh, yes.
night the other night,
Pakistan,
called back to you.
yes, yes.
He looked like he was
Because
from one of the
my
Asian
baby love
countries.
answer the call. Sometimes they call me in the middle of the night. You're just disturbing our sleep.
The guy had a big smile when I showed up. Maybe he likes both. He was like,
Maybe the message that he said that, oh, can you show me your thing and in exchange a big money? Maybe it's you, not me, because he talked to me. It's you, talk to
I
him.
like this conversation. I have another one ready to talk about here. Hey, did you want to say goodbye on this
Yeah,
one?
so guys, be very careful. Don't do that to Filipina. If you really want a serious relationship, change your ways. Yes, change your ways. Please don't do that. Because what's the verse in the Bible? What you do unto others will surely back to you.
I will do unto others as you would have them do unto you.
Yeah, exactly.
I think she's going to start quoting scriptures. Throw the Bible at him till he passes out. What scripture was that in? Wella chapter 1, verse 1. Wella chapter 1, verse 2.
That's
Throw
my
the Bible
name.
harder.
Can you say it
You didn't
right?
hit him. God bless you.
God bless everyone.
Check her out with her class, please.
Don't
It's a nice
forget,
thing.
message me, filipinak1@gmail.com.
Let's have a conversation.
Yes. God bless everyone.
God bless you.